What's up guys, it's Jesse from the Power of Adventure, and today we are going to do a massive battery upgrade in what may be the ultimate off-road RV. Not to mention 1,000 watts of roof-mounted solar panels. Let's get into it. I've heard it called many things, like an earth roamer, a doomsday rig, or a monster truck. In reality, this is the Siberian 4x4 off-road RV made by Tiger Adventure Vehicles. This RV was built for boondocking, and there's not many places it can go. This rig features a fully aluminum structure and a luxurious interior fitted with a full kitchen, a full bathroom, and accented with bamboo wood all around. After many years of full-time travel, the owner was looking for some serious electrical upgrades. When the RV arrived, it came with a number of broken solar panels. After removing them and remediating the roof, we mounted 4 250-watt rich solar panels for a total of 1,000 watts of charging power. We used a mounting system including aluminum strut and solar panel clamps. I generally source my aluminum strut from a local electrical supplier, but if that's not available to you, I will link some in the description below. The RV also had a failing lead-acid battery bank that needed to be replaced. We made a plan to completely overhaul the old batteries and create a new efficient system that will last for years to come. Our design included 3 Epoch 12-volt 460 amp-hour batteries wired in parallel to match the voltage of the existing system. The design will utilize over 16,000 watt hours or about 1,400 amp hours of internally heated lithium batteries. A good friend of mine who's a very talented fabricator designed and built 2 custom aluminum enclosures that will be installed on both sides of the RV in place of the old lead acid batteries. These super strong and lightweight boxes will provide security and protection for the new battery bank. The Siberian RV has a premium electrical setup and features dual inverters. One 3,000 watt Magnum inverter charger that powers most of the house loads, and a dedicated 2,000 watt inverter for the induction cooktop. We added a Victron Smart Shunt battery monitor to the instrument cluster so we can always keep an eye on the battery capacity. We replaced the old solar controller with a new Victron MPPT controller to take the voltage from our solar panels and efficiently charge the new lithium battery bank. With these new upgrades, you should expect to be able to stay off-grid for many days, even while using the air conditioner in warmer climates. And in ideal circumstances, this electrical setup could power the RV for weeks or even months at a time. If you've ever thought about upgrading your electrical system in your RV, we are licensed and insured installers, and you can find us at powerofadventure.us. As always, thanks for watching. We appreciate your time. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and we'll catch you on the next one.